Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own notebook for school, but before the video starts, this was not actually my original idea to make for this week's video, but my other ones got deleted, and here are the ones that I was supposed to make for you guys. This washi tape one, a Sharpie and rubbing alcohol one, a blue and black chevron notebook with a cute little kawaii cat on top, a messy geometric shape notebook, and the simple crossed geometric notebook. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you do, and without further ado, let's get on with the video. So what you'll be needing for your DIY notebook is a Bristol board or one of these clothing things that you get. It's like a very thin cardboard, some scissors, and an X-Acto knife to cut out everything, a ruler, a stapler to put it together. You can also sew it, but I recommend using stapler if you're not that good at sewing. A paper for your cover, some lined paper or graph paper, and some tape. You can also use glue if you want. So let's get started. You're going to just take your cardboard looking thing, and I want it to be about half of this, so I'll just cut this in half. And now you're going to get your graph paper, and you're going to grab as many papers as you want. And since this graph paper has hole punches in them, you're going to cut along the line that is right beside it. And now you're going to measure how much paper you want inside, how big your paper is going to fit. So mine is exactly half. And you want your paper to be able to fold in half. So when you staple in the center. And get a pencil so you can mark this off. So I will get my pencil and I'll be back. So you want it to be bigger by a little bit, just some allowance. You're gonna be cutting this out later, so it won't matter. And you're just going to cut it out. And the paper is going to look like this, and you're going to need about as much as you want. So I will be back after I cut out all the papers. And now I finished all of this. So this is probably about 15 papers. And from 15 papers I made 2 pages. A page is this much. So you're going to set that aside, and now you're going to measure this out. I'm going to need my ruler, and my scissors, and of course my pencil. So you're going to just measure around a centimeter off of the cover, so you have space to fold it over. And you're just going to cut this out, so I will cut this out and be right back. Once you do that, you're going to take this and you're going to tape it down. And now you're going to cut the corners. Now that you're done taping, you can make sure this is aligned and put it in the center. It won't matter that this is slightly bigger because we will be trimming it later. And this is around the center. So now you're taking your stapler and you're feeding it in. Okay. And now I'm going to do 2 staples. So one here. And that did not go through. So I think I put too many papers, so I will be taking a few out. And now you're able to fold it over, and that your paper is sort of outside, you're going to just cut it. Or you can use an X-Acto knife, that will be much easier. So I will do that, and I will be back to show you what to do with this. And now your notebook will look like this. It will look pretty nice. No one will look inside here, but you can also put some paper on this using some glue. But that's it. And if you want to cover this, you can put some tape on it. I'm just going to leave it like this. And I hope you guys do enjoy the video. And if you did, please click that like button. Please comment down below. Back to school. For a shout out in my next video. There's no shout outs for today because I have a sad life on YouTube and no one likes to comment or talk to me. So yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy the video, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to join the Kawaii fam. I'll see you guys in my next video, and don't forget to be kind, and be kawaii. Bye guys!